first solution you can try is to restart the File Explorer process. To do this, open the Task Manager by searching for it in the Windows search bar. Once Task Manager loads, locate Windows Explorer in the list of processes. Right-click on Windows Explorer and select the Restart option. This simple action can often resolve temporary glitches causing the error. If restarting File Explorer does not work, the next step involves running a disk check. Open the command prompt with administrator privileges by searching for Command Prompt in the Windows search bar and selecting Run as Administrator. In the command prompt window, type the following command: chkdsk/r/f. Press Enter after typing the command. You will likely be prompted to confirm if you want to schedule the disk check for the next system restart. Press Y, and then hit Enter again. Allow the scan to complete. This process will check your hard drive for errors and attempt to fix them, which may resolve the directory not empty issue. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.